Birthday mo, kalati lang yung kanta, kalati lang yung kanta. Oo, kalati lang yan. Pero anyway, kakanta si ate ng Feeling ni Sophie.
Feeling ni Sophie. Para ito i-holding nasa Amerika.
Marami ka boses eh. Kaboses niyo sa boses ko.
Pinagmamasdan, bawat dalat sa Doom. Hey, Laksamana. Daisy, come on. Daisy, how are you? Kevin Gonzo. And finally, Nelly Rodriguez.
Danilo Villanueva. Danilo. Danilo Villanueva kami. Ay, pakita dito. Okay. Melissa Raiko. Oh, Raiko. Sorry. Melissa Raiko.
Melissa Raiko. Okay, that's it for now. So, we might just want to recognize everybody who is here. So, we saw everybody from SCM1, and then, I didn't see it. Where's SCM2? Did you guys get your pictures taken already?
And at first it was just for SCM1 and then it became a full-blown badge reunion. Believe it or not, I ended up being a nurse and I work as a nursing director there. The States in 1980 with my family and everybody's there, and in November from P5 that the last great batch to come out of P5 was batch 1978. So
And what did you say? You said something.
what else? And we're the best one. That's what he said. And so, ladies and gentlemen, batch 1978 had set the standards really high for everybody else that followed us. So, I'm really proud to be a part of this group and a part of a great public high school education system. So, anyways, so on behalf of everybody from SCM1, we're all glad to be here. We're happy to be here, and it's good to see everybody. So enjoy the evening, and we hope that years, because we might not be here anymore.
Maybe in another 5 years.
5 years to June. So this is actually, but it's good to see everybody, and it's good to be here. Thank you.
Thank you, June, for aspiring speech.
So now we have from SCM2.
Okay, SCM2 now. Who wanna represent the SCM2?
It's Joe Arce.
Joe Arce. Hello! Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Parental guidance.
Hayaan mo sila maglawan. Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Nako, ito po ata napakaligaya ng bawat isa sa atin na kung saan sila po ay nagtapos ng 1978 batch reunion. Ikinagagala ko po itong araw na to, tayo po ay muli pong nagkita-kita. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat kung hindi po dahil sa Facebook. Hindi po natin matitrace ang isa't isa. Kaya Facebook, hanggat naririyan ka, muli kaming magkabuklod-buklod ng ating mga kaklase. Pasensya na po kayo, ang aking pong tono Kapampangan. Kasi po Kapampangan po ako I came from the province of Pampanga. Doon po sa lugar ng
lamig ko ng pino.
Ah, gano'n?
Ipagkakanulo ka daw.
Napapansin ko, parang ang iba atang section ay hindi ata nakikijoin sa napakagandang reunion na to. Come on, section PSM1, HEV2. Muli po, maraming salamat po. Ipagpaunumanhin po ninyo kung ano man po ang natuklasan nyo ngayong gabing ito, lalo na po doon sa nagsayaw kanina po. As I said earlier, kami po ay hindi dancer, kami po ay mga boxer ng Tipae. Okay, muli po, magandang gabi po at mabuhay po ang Batch 78.
Maraming salamat, Miss Jo Arce. From ME.
Lloyda from...
Lloyda Pomora from ME. Recognition.
At wala rin tayong program ko, wala si Lloyda.
Ako, actually, hindi po ako magsasalita, si Vilma.
Si Lloyda, sino po ako dito? Anyway, in behalf of the ME, ME4, maraming salamat. Ay, ME4, ME. O, baliktad na to, nataranta. Nagpapasalamat kami sa SCM1. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi kami makikita-kita. Kahit lima yata, lima ba kami? O, 6 naman kami. So, yun. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Next time, sana ma-invite ulit kami. Lloyd.
Actually, ang isang vision ko sana sa batch natin, hindi lang magtatapos dito ngayong gabi, kundi ito yung magiging simula ng mas malalim na pagsasamahan ng batch 78. So, we hope na tuloy-tuloy na po sana to at higit sa lahat, maraming salamat kay Melinda sa grupo niya, kay Irene, siya pong unang nag-friend sa akin at pagsama dito. So, salamat sa inyo, sa lahat ng sponsors, kay Sandre, kay Yvonne, na nasa Japan. Siya po ang aming pinaka-sponsor.